Taking you back to last month for this video, when I record videos, they don't always get published in sequence, and that's because usually something else more important pops up, and it ends up getting put back a little bit. So for today's video, we're going back to April the 12th, so enjoy. Hello and welcome back down to Port Colborne for another video, and today we have the MV Musala coming through, which belongs to Navigar. And the lift bridge has just gone up here at the Clarence Street Bridge here in Port Colborne, so it's going to raise right to the top. I also have a time-lapse video going right now, so we'll get the ship coming through on a time-lapse, and I'm going to try and quickly get the drone up as well to get some nice images as well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy Navi Bulgar's Musala. I forgot the name already. Musala. As she comes on through Port Colborne and making her way up to Sault Ste. Marie. This is Musala, and she is a bulk carrier that is part of a series of 12 32,150 ton bulk carriers contracted by Navigation Maritime Bulgaria. The ships in these series are being built at the Jiangsu Yangtze Xinfu Shipbuilding Company in China. The Musala is the 7th vessel in the series, with the next ship in the series being named Slavanka, which joined the fleet late in August 2023. The final 4 ships in the series are Koznitsa, Kamenitsa, Sakar, and Murgash, which were completed in 2024 and 2025. Musala is 189 meters in length, which is 623 feet, and she has a beam of 24 meters, which is 79 feet, and her gross tonnage is 20,848. Musala is named after the Musala Peak, which is the highest peak in Bulgaria and the Balkan Peninsula, standing at 2,935 meters. The name has been used for multiple ships in the fleet of the Navigation Maritime Bulgaria, with the first vessel being named Musala, which was built in Varna in 1947, followed by an ore carrier built in Japan in 1967, which remained in service until 2009. All right, there you have it. Musala, Navi Bulgar vessel heading out to Sault Ste. Marie to pick up a load and probably come back down here in another week's time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next one, see you all very soon. Stay safe. Take care.